Yamaha Auto Club showroom at Khayanchi Chowk, Gorakhpur, and well, you can see in this showroom there are so many bikes, but our main focus today here is the R15M and the R15 model, and I am going to review this bike for you. Here we have the Yamaha R15M model, and as you can see, the front of this bike is completely changed. Okay, bring the camera here. So we've got completely new front look with the LED DRL and projector headlamp LED that comes with the upside down front forks. That's the KYB front forks, and this bike comes with the front tire of 100 section. The size of the disc is 300 I guess, and the brakes which this bike offers is Bibrake dual channel ABS that offers you quick biting of braking force. So guys, right now I have told the bhaiya to just connect the battery so that we can see the instrument cluster working. And here we have the R15M model. Now it's getting ready, as you can see. Finally, our bike is ready for review, and now I'm going to show you this bike for review. Now, camera. As you can see, this LED DRL is looking so good, and at night you will get a pretty good view. So I have covered the front view detail. Now we will come to the instrument cluster. Now I am going to start this bike. Wow, pretty darn beautiful instrument cluster inspired from the R1. So here we have the gear position indicator, the tachometer, the speedometer, and you can see right now this is in street mode. We have clock, and we have trip, and if we come to the buttons of this bike, you can see this bike has new buttons, the stop, run, start system, and this bike comes with hazard. As you can see, the hazard lights, they are the ones which we were getting from V3. These are pretty darn good, and many YouTubers say that there is no change in the back of R15 V3 and V4, but I can see that this one is a little more changed as compared to the V3 model. Okay, so here we have low beam, high beam, turn indicator is working good, and then we can hear horn. Wow, the horn is pretty good and loud. It comes with a dual horn, and from here you can change. We have trip and info. From here you can change trip, odometer, trip 2 and normal, and by pressing this info it will change to track mode. Why it is not? Okay, we are changing the time. Okay, let's see, we will figure that out later. And now I'm going to show you the really interesting part of this bike. This 155cc bike comes with the quick shifter, and here we have the aluminium swing arm. Here comes the sari guard, the tire hugger, and you can see the exhaust. This is the new exhaust offered by Yamaha, and the looks of this exhaust is pretty much good. And now we are gonna see the the exhaust note of this bike. So let's fire up the engine. The sound of it, amazing, guys. The back of this tire comes with the section of 140. It's the Yamaha MRF radial tire with the braking system of ABS. The review of my R15M is now completed, and if you like this video, like, share, comment my